welcome to the channel. My name is Overbite, and today we're going to be doing a viewer requested video on how to install Kali Linux into VirtualBox. The first thing that we're going to want to do is go to the official pre-built image on the Offensive Security website and download that package. So go ahead and make sure you select Kali Linux VirtualBox images and click Kali Linux VirtualBox 64-bit download. I already have mine downloaded, as you can see here. So I'll wait for you guys to go ahead and do that. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, let's go ahead and grab our checksum right here to make sure that we can verify our package integrity of the download. Make sure no one altered the image. Go ahead and minimize that. Head over to your downloads folder. Make sure your Kali Linux is installed and go ahead and open it in terminal. Make that wider for you guys. And with our checksum, the correct checksum we grabbed off of the official web page, we need to put that into a file. So we'll go ahead and redirect this echo into correct.txt. The next thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and get the hash from our binary. So to do that, we're going to use SHA-256 sum. And then we want the name of our image. Let's go ahead and look at it right here. SHA-256 sum. Let's go ahead and copy it and then press enter. It will take a moment for it to get through its algorithms. So go ahead and grab the hash out of the binary. And once that's done, we're going to take this hash and put it into another file. So go ahead and copy that. Do another echo redirect. And let's name that our checksum.txt. Now the command that we're going to use to compare these two checksums, the correct checksum to our checksum, is going to be diff. And what diff does is just compare two files to see the differences in them, as its name would suggest. So first I'm going to show you guys what happens if it's not correct. So we have wrong txt, let's compare it to correct txt, and you'll see that the command will spit out the difference between the two files. So now if we just do the correct txt file, with our checksum file, you'll see no difference. Now, since this image is already pre-packaged, the only thing that we're going to have to do now is go to our downloads folder and just click the binary to run it. It will launch VirtualBox for us. We'll just go ahead and keep all the default configurations and press import. Click agree. Now we might get one problem when we try to launch this machine, which is the USBs. So we'll see what happens. Just give this a moment to install. I'll see you guys back here when it gets done.
2 hours later.
Alright, now that we have it installed into VirtualBox, let's go ahead and click our machine right here and see if we get an error about the USB. Yep. See what it says. That. Can I make it bigger? No, it doesn't look like it, but yeah, you can see right here, disable USB 2.0 support in the VM settings. So how you do that is go ahead and click settings, go to USB right here, and click USB 1.1 and click OK. And now we should have no problems at all. Go ahead and maximize it for you guys. Doesn't really make too much of a difference, but yeah. Just, yeah, capture, don't show that message again. Now, this is just an installation video, how to install Kali Linux. This is not a security configuration video. If you guys want to see how to secure your virtual machine when you use it, request it down in the comments below, and we can make that video for you guys. And the default credentials is going to be Kali, which is bad. You never want to leave it default. So let us know in the comments below if you want that video. So thanks for watching, and thank you again to Punny Dang for requesting this video.
Yeah.